Happy holidays everybody, and welcome to my video. Before we get started with this glamorous makeup look, ensure that you are following me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Woo! We're getting glam. So get ready to use some glitter. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply foundation, highlight, and contour. I'm going to set the highlight and contour with powder. Now that I'm completed with that task, I'm going to begin applying blush, highlight, brows, and then I'm going to begin the eyeshadow makeup look. Now I'm going to begin the eyeshadow look. I'm going to apply glitter on the lid and create some detail work with eyeliner. Then I'm going to apply lashes, and we're gonna go to the final step, which is lipstick. You know that glitter is my favorite step in every makeup application. Look at that, look at the difference it creates. I love it. Now that the glitter is applied, I'm going to apply eyeliner, eyelashes, and lipstick. This is the finished look. Matches my dress. Ooh, and my earrings. The glow, ooh, the glow. A nice glamorous look. Don't you love it? I know I love it. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. You see it matches my dress. Oh, so festive. Ensure that you are following me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. Happy holidays, everybody.